So, the great debate, is it better to dispute online or is it better to mail in your disputes? Whether you're mailing it in regular mail, priority mail, or certified, however you're doing it. So I'm going to easily prove to you that mailing in your disputes works better versus what the scammer in Vietnam is telling you. And it's real simple. As you can see from the screenshots that are up here, we dispute everything via mail, and we post the most consistent results out of any credit repair company that's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Nobody posts more results than us. These people like this scammer in Vietnam, they never post results. It ain't because they don't have time, because, well, they don't have no work, they don't have no money. It's just to trick you, to make you think that what they're doing is superior to everybody else. But if they were superior to everybody else, instead of talking about everybody else, they'd be showing you these awesome and amazing results. I have time to show amazing results and expose this scammer. But like I said, just look at the screenshots. We mail everything via certified mail and we get results. These people that are disputing online, they don't get no results, so they don't have nothing to post. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.